Ortofon became a synonym for technological development thanks to our A90, our anniversary product, where we, as a first in the world, introduced 3D printing metal to create a cartridge. We somehow make a synergy of new technology into an old way of reproducing analog sound. After initial design, DTI created parts for us, which we tested, and it turned out that it's a great technology to use in our cartridges. First of all, no one ever did it before us, and second, we could control unwanted vibrations. We could simply dump some frequencies that we didn't want to have during sound reproduction from the vinyl. First of all, we are integrating it into a small series of products. So we don't need to buy or design very expensive tools, fixtures or molds. So it's a cost-effective way of doing a small series. And second of all, as I mentioned, we can control vibrations. So we add something to our products. We can dump. It's not about only controlling, but it's about damping some resonances, some unwanted vibrations. So the sound is more neutral. It's pure analog sound from the vinyl. Next step for Ortofon will be for sure continuous development and continuous improvement of the parts. We believe that we still have some room to improve and to get even better our products. We'll stick to 3D printing, and I cannot share much details, but for sure we'll investigate in producing micro components which sit in the heart of a cartridge, where all the signals are produced.